Alright, for today's little adventure in HVAC, we're going to be moving this condenser and giving them an 8-foot curled up coiled copper. Say that fast. So I'm going to cut, recover, pull in my vacuum on my brand new cylinder, which I did. And now I'm going to cut these once I get the freon recovered, and I'm going to make a loop of 8 feet so that they can move it that way, cut this whole area out, move it back, put a new pad, and then ended up moving it back over there. So it's going to be pretty interesting. But got that contactor still calling. Yeah. All right. Sweet. Alright, got a fresh tank. Nothing in there. Makes it quicker. Makes it faster. You don't have the car things in there. Alrighty. How do we go? Alright, so when you recover your refrigerant, you're going to put your low side on, put your high side on. Hook the auxiliary yellow hose. Got a little filter dryer. And then that one goes to your in. To your out. Out goes to here. Okay? Okay. So what you're going to do is, you're going to open your hand wheels. Beep. Beep. You're going to open this one, fill it all up. You're going to come over here, purge it out. Boop. Alrighty, since you already pulled the vacuum, it's going to suck it all in. Boop. So when you pull a vacuum on your tank down to like 600 microns, it'll just suck it in. But you're gonna have to turn your machine on. It'll do a little bit, but not all of it. Alright, so I'm going to let this recover, and then we'll chime back in here in a second. Alright, we're almost down. So the condenser coil over here is super impacted. Whole bunch of shit. Cottonwood. So I'm going to take the whole shroud off. Once I get done, I'm going to spray out this coil. Get it nice and tidied up, get all this stuff cleaned out for them. Let me get some wire ties around here. Do everything I can to clean it up. fisheye on my phone. It's pretty cool. Much easier. Close off your valve, and you can shut her down. Shoot. All right. Wind my stuff up real nice. Throw this one back in the van. Clean that up a little bit. I'm about to clean this one up too. Oh, look at that. No bueno. No bueno, don't like it. More zip ties. More zip ties. Bloop. Make a little pile for my garbage. Take it all with me a little bit. That's still pretty good. So, clean this up a little bit. Get real nice. Don't want these wires rubbing on anything. And if you do want them rubbing, you want it on the zip tie. Like that. A little bit goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. That's the tip of the day. Keep shit real clean for people, you know? Alrighty. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Shutting off my gauges, getting everything out of my way that I don't need right now. Loose caps, tighten those up. Alrighty then. Gonna loosen this stuff up in here so when I go to clean it later, it makes it a little easier for me. Do a nice little before and after. I don't know why, I just like wiping everything down, keep it clean. Used to be a janitor, so it kind of rubs off on me now. Alrighty. My copper in a little husky box. It's kind of nice. I like this little thing. Alright. I could unsweat it. Is that rain? Is that some rain? Oh, yeah, it's raining. Got a little rain coming down. Oh, it's like one cloud. Crazy. Da-da-da. Just cutting my copper. Keep a whole bunch of cutters. Small, big, all different ones. Alright. There's one. In for two. When you're cutting your copper, spin it, twist. Try not to tighten it in the same spot. You'll get a little flat spot that way. So always try to tighten it in a different spot. Sometimes it doesn't matter. Sometimes it does. And then I got my reamer. I like to ream everything. So make sure you keep. Let's see. That's gonna fall. Shrink. Maybe. Reamer. So that's before ream. Alright. And that's after. Oh, I got a little bit in there. Gotta get out. I think that McDonald's cup is my stand. That works. Make sure I get all those shavings out of there. Sandy cloth. Make sure you're sanding your copper super good. Get it looking brand new. And this way your solder will take real easy. Clean copper. Alright. Nice and clean. Next one. I hate when they get those little divots in there. Clean. It's much easier if you use the little drill attachment, but I prefer this way. Makes me feel like I'm closer to the pipe. Alright. This side shined up. This one. That one's good. Alrighty. Don't forget to ream this side. Sweet. Alrighty. Now I gotta gotta see how I'm gonna put this extendo on here. Alright, so we want 8 feet. I'm just gonna measure out 8 feet. Alright, got 8.5 feet. Same thing with this one, 8.5 feet. My coupler, which isn't gonna fit right there. Don't like me. It's all right. I'll get a new spot. Sometimes you get that weird spot where you just can't get them. So I'll recut a new little section, and that's how we're gonna do it today. Reamer. I like to tap it out. I'll re-sand this. A nice clean piece to work with. Alright. Always save your scraps. You never know when you're gonna need that little piece. Alright, one coupler on. This one's at 8. Get me cutter. Big cutter. Easy. So, just cutting my 8.5 foot mark. Sweet. Goes back in the truck. Alrighty. could have just left that other one like it was. That would have been better. Whatever. Extra work. I like doing extra work. Alrighty, let me get this bad boy cleaned out. Alright, I'm gonna shut the camera off for a sec. I'm gonna curl this up, braise it in, and then I'll get tuned back in. I'm back. Alright, so we can get this bad boy set up. Alright. I shouldn't be smoking, but the guy here is really cool. So he said, do whatever you want. You want to have a cigarette? You have a cigarette. I said, okay, cool. Thanks, man. So I appreciate that. Buddy. So. Some white rag on that bad boy. Tie it down. Bada bing, bada boom. Sweet. Sure you sand it up real good. That's what they wanted. I do what I'm told until I own my own company. Hot potato. Oh yeah. Fresh looking compressor. What's this one from? 95. Still sounds good too. Good. It sounds very good. What do I do with my coupler? Got you guys in my welding box right now. Whole bunch of stuff. My big boy. I like this one. I like the rosebud tip too. Pre-done. Makes it easier. Alright. Little tap on there. Sand it up one more time. Alright, let me go get my grips. Save these plugs. Then you can use them if you ever have to cap your line set somewhere. Once you get an okay circle, then it's not too bad. That first circle, gotta make it good. What a wonky little end. It's crazy. The end is all janky. This is probably the best cutter. Phenomenal. Up to 1 3/8. Good stuff. Built-in reamer, so see the difference. difference. That's what matters. Now I get this end ready. Good to go. Let's see, what are we gonna do here? Gotta go here. Sand this real quick. This side needs to come over on this side. Like so. This one, I'm going to turn. Go above that electrical. Sand that guy real quick. There. This guy under. Alright, guess it doesn't like that piece. Let me cut a new little end down here. I throw all my garbage away, I make sure. For some reason it doesn't like this end. Just fine with me. I'll get a new piece. Shrink. It doesn't want to go in my coupler. Sick. That's weird. That was weird. Huh. Coupler had like a lip on it. Strange. So when I go to pull this out, that one's going to stretch. This one should actually go through here. Because if I go through here, then that can pull into there. So, which may look stupid, but that's the best way it's going to be. So, I'm going to do that. So then this way, when they pull it, this can come up and go through the middle. That'll be good. That one's good. Alright, ready to braise up. Let's do it. My wet rags. Go wet this one. Rags, and because it's older, I'm gonna throw a little heat gap in there. This stuff will like explode in your face if you frickin' hit it with the heat, so just be careful with this stuff. It's weird. Alright, got my dry rag. Oh man, cut the shit out of myself earlier. I fucking get killed. Little baby cut. Got it with these guys earlier. Just getting some wire, wasn't paying attention. The guy talked to me and I snipped the hell out of my hand. It's crazy. So, let's get braised up. Da, 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 da. Always heat your coupler up first and then suck it in. Couple more, good to go. Bada bing, bada boom. Cool. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for this one. Just gonna get it all tidied up, clean the coil out, and then we'll be good to go. So, like, subscribe, and rock on. You guys have a good day. We're good. Got some rain coming in. It's a nice clean van, too. Figures I washed the van today. It's funny. Rock on. Alright, I've been holding pressure. That's what it turned out to be. I don't like it at all, but it is what it is. So, back in. And actually, I'm gonna pull my vacuum through my gauges. I don't care today. Core tool so we can pull out the cores, make it faster. Take the core out of my high side or my low side. Bigger pipe. Got your core, keep it on the side. Hook your tool up. Hook up my core tool. Man, I'm getting rained on. Darn it. And then I like to give these just a hair. That's all. Just a little hair. Alright. This bad boy. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to pull through my, I'm just going to do it right through the pump. Alright, maybe I lied. Maybe I'm going to pull it through here. I usually don't pull it through a manifold.
Are you an AC guy?
Hello, hello.
Are you an air conditioner guy?
I sure am.
Okay, I need to talk to you.
Uh-oh. What's going on?
Okay, I don't know if it's due to all the dirt
Uh-huh.
or whatever. The apartment's not getting cold.
Right.
It's,
In here?
yeah.
I'll have the AC shut down.
Oh, I know, but I mean, I'm
Okay.
talking about yesterday
Oh,
and day before
okay.
yesterday.
Catch me off guard. I'm like,
No,
I did shut it off for the past few hours.
no.
So.
I mean, it hasn't been, and I was going to call corporate Monday.
Well, it's super, 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 super dirty.
Yeah.
The whole entire thing. So I'm going to take it all apart, and I'm going to clean the entire thing before I leave.
Yay.
So that'll
Yay.
lower the head pressure, and then that'll bring the cooler air and help it reject heat faster.
That's
So
what
this-
I needed to hear.
Because this whole thing is impacted. It was all with this. The whole side. So
geez.
I'm gonna take this whole thing apart. I told Rob before I leave, I'll make sure you guys do a solid one for you.
Nice.
So nice new wire ties and everything taped up. I mean, if I put my
Okay.
name on something, I want to make sure that it's.
And where are you going to move this to?
Oh, this is gonna. I'm not moving it anywhere. I'm just putting the coil right here so that they can move it when they need.
Okay.
Yep.
But as long as, you know, because I was, like I said, I was going to call corporate Monday anyway. I didn't know whether we should wait until this is done or do it now.
Yeah, all that dust in there from the dirt and construction. So no problem. We'll get all cleaned out for you.
Okay,
and
great.
then, do you guys change the air filter often in there?
We did.
Okay, perfect. Cool.
Yes.
That was my next question, and we're good.
Yep. Okay,
Sweet.
thank you.
Cool. If you have anything else, let me know. I'm Dennis, by the way.
Okay, I'm Debbie. I'm
Nice to meet you.
here.
Pleasure to meet you, Deb. Nice lady. Micron gauge. She was super sweet. Super sweet lady. Alright, so now that I got that one, where's my other little hose? There it is. Get out of my way. Alright, so I put one core tool on my micron gauge. And then this bad boy will go right there. We're gonna open up our gauges. Purge out a little bit of nitro that's in there. I wasn't gonna use that fitting, but I'm gonna do it now. Just makes it easier. Every time I pull a vacuum, I do it a different way. Sometimes I go right to the pump, sometimes I go to the manifold. Blah 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 blah. You know, blah blah blah. All right, I'm gonna try to get this testo. All right, I cannot get this field piece, or excuse me, this testo micron gauge to work. I mean, like, for the frickin' life of me. So we'll see what we do here. I mean, I don't get it. Doesn't make much sense. Shrink, 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 shrink. Alright. Nice and tight. Boom, boom, boom. I put nylog on everything already, so it's already got a little bit on there. Not bad, boy. Let's try this micron gauge. See what happens. Put, open. Probably plug her in first. That'll help. Open, open, close. So, open both hand wheels. This thing is just... it's freaking weird. I don't know if I like it. I just don't know. This is retarded. Look at open live. $2,300. Wow, that is garbage. 1900 microns that my field piece isn't even reading. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. My field piece isn't even reading. And this thing's telling me 1260. This is fucking garbage. As much as I hate to say it, this is garbage. That's crazy. Wow. Well, I'm gonna let it crank and we'll see what the comparison is between them once I get down. Because I trust that over that. So. Alright, we'll get back with it. Alright. This freaking coil all cleaned out. Clean it the right way. So I'm gonna get this bad boy all cleaned out now. See what the charge is. And then we'll hook up and we'll be good to go and everyone have an awesome weekend. That's about it for this one. So you guys have a good day. Later. Ugh. Oh. Alright. Now we're good. I'm gonna finish this up and good to go. Alright, getting her all charged up. So now I pretty much made it like a refrigeration. So now they can take this and extend it out. Kind of like you're moving like the refrigeration unit inside like a deli box. So I curled it up and this way they can extend and they can come back. That's what they wanted. So like I said, I gotta do what I'm told sometimes. So getting her charged up right now. Just slowly adding my gas. It's 86 outside. 96, 106, 116 condensing temperature. I like the throttle. It's a fixed orifice, so I got my superheat. Let that run for a sec. So I'm adding liquid. Can's upside down. Liquid goes through. Make sure you purge your hoses. So I'm just gonna sit here and charge her up. That's looking better. I'm a Pro Pack. Accordioned it. I'm gonna get that. I got the condenser all cleaned out. You see all the goo. So she's breathing a lot better now. My head pressure was 370 when I got here. And now we're sitting at 220. Evaporator's 32. Give it a little more gas. And then I'll flip it over, add a little vapor, touch her off, and good to go. Got my insulation on, taped up. So that's what they wanted, so that's what they got. Alrighty, rock and roll. You guys have an awesome weekend. Later. Alright, that's how I finished it. So this way they can extend it. I don't like it, but what are you gonna do? It's not my company. Not mine. So I'd be like, no, we're not doing that. We'll come back and, you know, it is what it is. So we make it work. Rock on. Have a good day.